So here we have a Echo 360 Comfort, and the machine is jammed because it's had too much plastic put in it. So if we turn the machine on, we can see that it doesn't drive. So here's one tip that you can try. These are the deselection pins on the pressure bar, and we need to pull these up, as many of them as we can. If you give them a little wiggle front to back, some of them come up. So if you push them forward, you can sometimes get them to release, and if they wobble, you can get them to come up. Right, so a little bit of wriggling and persevering, but I've managed to get all of them back up. So now, when we turn the machine back on, we will see the machine will finish its cycle. Now what we need to do is push the pin one at a time back down, and then cycle the machine. And that will punch one hole. And then again, one hole. One hole, one hole. Just gave you a little break there while I work my way along. Just two more to go now. And now the plastic will come out, the holes are in, and your machine is ready to go again. If your machine doesn't start back up after you turn the power back on, the fuse may have blown. So if we turn the power off and pull out the mains holder, the fuse is located in a small opening just here.